Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error which says call to driver package uninstall error 5. So when you try to install or uninstall HP printer driver, and if you are receiving this error code, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now first of all we will perform the steps for non-HP computer. So if you have Lenovo or if you have Dell, so if you have any other brand other than HP computer, then please follow the steps which I am showing you first. Do not follow this step if you have HP computer. I have a troubleshooting steps for HP computer, but we will go ahead and perform this step later on. First of all, we will begin with non-HP computer. So copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. So you have to open command prompt. So just type in CMD in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt. Then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then you have to paste the command over here and let it complete. So here you can see it's running the services, so let it complete. It may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, so let it complete. Do not close this window while it's running. This will actually will allow full access to the system folder and delete all the HP folder. So first of all we will delete all the HP folder, and then we will uninstall the HP printer drivers from the computer. Then we will restart the computer and then we will reinstall the printer driver from HP website, and that will fix the problem. So let it complete. So now it's done. So once this is done, you go ahead and go to apps and features. So open apps and features. So you can just make a right click on start menu and then click on apps and features. And then you have to go ahead and find HP printer driver. So you have to go ahead and find it, scroll down. So if you find any HP printer driver in the list, I don't have any because I've already uninstalled it. So if you have any HP printer driver over here, so you select that particular driver and then click on uninstall. So if you go ahead and find an HP printer driver in the list. So if you find it, go ahead and uninstall it from apps and features. And after you uninstall the HP printer driver from apps and feature, then restart your computer, and after you restart the computer, then reinstall HP printer driver from HP website. So open this link. The link is also provided in the video description. Then open any browser and then open this link. Then you have to go ahead and enter the model number of your printer. So whatever model number you have, so enter the model number over here, then click on submit. Or you can simply select your model number from here. So just for an example, I'm selecting any particular model number. And from here you can go ahead and install the driver. Here you can see it's a driver product installation software for this particular printer, that is HP LaserZ 1020. So for all model number you have the driver available online, so you can go ahead and go to HP website, enter this model number of your printer, or you can select the model number from the list and then download and install the printer driver, and then that error should go away. Now I will start with HP computer. So if you have HP computer and you are receiving this error code, that is driver package uninstall error 5, then follow the steps. Again, you have to run this command in command prompt window. So we will open command prompt once again. Just type in CMD, then make a right click on command prompt, run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. And this time copy this second command, and this is only for HP computer. So if you have Lenovo, Dell or any other brand, do not perform this step. You have to perform only the first step. So copy this command and then paste the command over here. And let the process complete. So once this is done, you can close this window, and then you have to go ahead and uninstall HP printer driver from apps and features. So again, go to apps and features, make a right click on start menu, apps and features, and then select your HP printer driver in the list over here, and then select it, then click on uninstall. This is just for an example. So if you find HP printer driver, it has to be a driver software only. So do not uninstall any other HP driver. It's only printer driver which I'm talking about. So select your printer driver, HP printer driver, then uninstall it, and while you when you uninstall it, you will receive the error message once again, and then you have to go ahead and take a note of it, or you can take a screenshot, or you can take a picture of this error message. So whatever error message you are receiving, just take a picture, or you just take a screenshot. So if you have the picture of the error message from before, then that's fine. So just make sure that you have the error message with you. So after this, you have to go ahead and open this path. So you have to go ahead and open run box, make a right click on start menu, then click on run, and then paste the path over here, this path, and then click on OK. It will take you to this window, and here you have to go ahead and delete the HP folder which is shown in the error message. So here you can see so we have C drive, Windows, System32 DriverStore FileRepository. So here you can see it, and here you can see. So here, this is the file which we have to look for, that is hpwia_pw4_77. So you have to go ahead and locate this and find this particular folder. This is just for an example. It might be some different name in your case, so you have to make sure that you go ahead and delete this particular folder. So you have to find this folder over here. So in my case, I don't have it because I don't have that folder anymore. So in your case, you have to go ahead and find this folder, and you have to delete this folder, and you will get that folder from the error message. So that's why it's important to take a screenshot or take a picture, take a picture of your error message, and then here you can find the folder. So it's till 1954. From here till here, you can find that particular folder in this location. So you have to go ahead and select that, make a right click, then click on delete. So this is just for an example. So you have to go ahead and find the folder from the error message, and you have to delete that particular folder only. So you have to find and delete only the SP folder shown in the error. And then after that, you have to go ahead and uninstall HP printer driver from apps and feature. Again, you have to open apps and feature, and then you have to go and find the HP driver over here. So find the HP driver, and then click on uninstall, then restart your computer, and then reinstall HP printer driver from HP website. So again, go to the HP website, and then find your model number, or you simply enter your model number, whatever model number you have. So enter the model number, then click on submit. And if you don't see the model number, if you don't find the model number, you can select it from the list over here, and then go ahead and download and install the driver from HP website. So click on download, then install it, then you will be able to get rid of this error message. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.